Hello, cosmic explorers, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and just felt a sense of awe and wonder? The universe is so vast, so mysterious, and honestly, a little bit weird. We think we know a lot, but what we don't know could well, today we're diving deep into the cosmic unknown to uncover 5 shocking facts about the universe that you're probably not aware of. These are the kinds of facts that will make you rethink everything you thought you knew about space, time, and our place in it all. So, buckle up, because your mind is about to be blown. Let's get started with our first mind-bending fact. You've probably heard that the universe is big, but that's the understatement of the millennium. Let's talk about something truly immense: the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. Discovered in 2013, this isn't a wall made of bricks, but a colossal supercluster of galaxies, stretching an unbelievable 10 billion light-years across. To put that into perspective, our own Milky Way galaxy is about 100,000 light-years wide. That means you could line up 100,000 Milky Ways end to end, and you still wouldn't have crossed this structure. It's so large that its very existence challenges our current understanding of how the universe formed. According to the cosmological principle, the universe should look roughly the same everywhere on a large enough scale. But this structure is so massive, it breaks that rule. It's a cosmic behemoth that shouldn't exist, yet there it is, hanging out in the cosmos, making astronomers scratch their heads. It's a powerful reminder that the universe is always full of surprises. Now for our second fact, let's talk about something a little closer to home, but just as bizarre. Did you know it rains diamonds on Jupiter and Saturn? No, I'm not making this up. The immense pressure and intense temperatures in the atmospheres of these gas giants are perfect for creating diamonds. Here's how it works. Lightning storms in their upper atmospheres turn methane gas into soot, which is basically carbon. As this soot falls towards the planet's core, the pressure and heat get so intense that they compress the carbon into solid chunks of graphite, and then into pure, glittering diamonds. Scientists estimate that these diamond hailstones can grow up to 1 centimeter in diameter before they eventually melt into a sea of liquid carbon deep within the planets. So, while we can't go there to collect them, it's incredible to think that trillions of carats of diamonds are just raining down on other planets in our own solar system. It's a treasure trove of cosmic proportions. All right, let us move from cosmic bling to something that makes up the vast majority of our universe but remains completely invisible. I'm talking about dark matter and dark energy. When you look at all the stars, galaxies, planets, and everything we can see, you're only looking at about 5% of what's actually out there. The other 95% is a complete mystery. About 27% of the universe is thought to be dark matter. We can't see it, we can't touch it, but we know it's there because of its gravitational effects on visible matter. It's the invisible cosmic glue holding galaxies together, preventing them from flying apart as they spin. The remaining 68% is even weirder: dark energy. This is a mysterious force that's causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate. Instead of gravity pulling everything back together, something is pushing everything apart at an ever-increasing rate. We have no idea what dark matter or dark energy are, which means we're fundamentally in the dark about 95% of the cosmos. Think about that for a second. It's like trying to understand an ocean by only studying a single drop of water. For our fourth shocking fact, let's shrink things down from the scale of the universe to the scale of an atom. You might have heard of neutron stars. They're the super-dense collapsed cores of massive stars after they go supernova. But how dense are they really? Imagine taking the entire mass of our Sun, which is 333,000 times the mass of Earth, and crushing it down into a sphere just about 12 miles, or 20 kilometers, in diameter. That's the size of a city. A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 10 million tons. That's the weight of about 900 Eiffel Towers, all packed into a tiny spoon. The gravity on a neutron star is so extreme that if you dropped an object from 1 meter high, it would hit the surface in a microsecond, traveling at millions of miles per hour. These objects are so dense they warp the fabric of space-time around them. They are the most extreme forms of matter we know of, pushing the laws of physics to their absolute limits. And now, for our fifth and final fact, one that might change how you perceive time itself. Due to the finite speed of light, whenever we look at distant objects in the universe, we are literally looking back in time. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us, so when you look at the sun, you're seeing it as it was over 8 minutes ago. For the nearest star system, Alpha Centauri, it's over 4 years. And when we look at the Andromeda Galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor, the light we see has been traveling for 2.5 million years. This means we are seeing Andromeda not as it is today, but as it was when early human ancestors were first walking the Earth. Powerful telescopes like the Hubble and James Webb are essentially time machines. They can see galaxies so far away that their light has been traveling for over 13 billion years. This allows us to see the universe as it was in its infancy, just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Every starry night is a journey into the deep past, a gallery of cosmic history painted across the sky. So there you have it, 5 truly shocking facts that reveal just how magnificent, strange, and mysterious our universe really is. From diamond rain and invisible forces to city-sized stars and cosmic time travel, the universe is constantly challenging our imagination and understanding. It reminds us that there is always more to discover, more to learn, and more to be amazed by. What do you think is the most mind-blowing fact about the universe? Let me know down in the comments below. I love reading your thoughts and theories. If you enjoyed this journey into the cosmos and want to explore more of its secrets with me, please don't forget to hit that like button. And more importantly, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next adventure. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, keep looking up.